Well, M-Kesho is the first bank account that is integrated with M-Pesa. And this is the first account whereby you can send money directly from your M-Pesa account into your M-Kesho account, and vice versa. You can withdraw money from your M-Kesho account into your M-Pesa account. Now, what it has that other accounts don't have are the three key benefits. One is called micro savings. So as long as you're able to send money from your M-Pesa account into your M-Kesho account, from as little as 1 shilling, you're able to start earning interest. Then there's also what you call the micro credit. So micro credit is whereby after 6 months of credit worthiness in the M-Kesho account, you're able to request for credit facilities from as little as about 100 shillings, about $1.25 to about $90. So you're able to ask for credit and you're able to pay it back after 30 days. And when you'll ask me a question is, why do we say 30 days? Ideally, in Kenya, the custom is that you always pay your debts at the end of the month. It's like a duka. You know, the dukas are shops. So if you go to the shopkeeper, you'll take your goods and then you'll pay at the end of the month. Then you have got the micro insurance, and the micro insurance has been developed for the market mainly because insurance is very expensive in Kenya. And it's one of those things that people don't know about, and even if they know about it, they're not willing to pay for it because it's not what you call their daily needs. So with M-Kesho now, people are able to pay for insurance, and it's a one-off fee which is annual. And it takes care of small things like, for example, personal accident covers up to about $2,000 US, something like death cover, for example, which in Kenya is one of the most expensive affairs we have when people die. And so it's one of those benefits that we're seeing people every day ascribing to because they're not able to get them from normal insurance companies. So in a nutshell, the three key benefits are the micro savings, micro insurance, and the micro credit. That is what differentiates M-Kesho from other accounts.
We've developed a mobile phone application that the agents and our branches can use, and basically the phone is used to take a picture of the client, the phone is used to take a picture of the application form, a picture of the ID book, and those are verified at the agent location. Those documents are automatically transmitted to the bank and the account is opened, but then the full documents have to still get sent through to the bank and are verified and kept. Equity has pushed the boundaries in a lot of instances. The reason equity exists is because we had a very enabling regulator. We were, meant to be a building society, but we were basically a bank. And so on that same basis, we've been pushing the regulator on a number of issues. And one of those is on the whole thing of risk-based KYC. Although we don't officially have risk-based KYC in Kenya yet, we have been pushing the regulator towards that. And I'm glad to see there's some discussions coming up on KYC. Because that is a crucial thing. So we very much implement risk-based KYC. Fortunately, in Kenya, there is a national ID system, and there is a central database where you can query. So that has helped tremendously. If you haven't got a national ID system, it is a problem to comply with KYC. But then, we just monitor the cumulative value of transactions through the account, the total value in the account, and as soon as a threshold is reached, the person has to come into the branch and do full KYC.
Just to clarify a few things, so you mentioned the, let's say, barriers or hurdles that a customer has to open an M-Kesho account, which is like the registration form. Are there any other hurdles, like a fee to open up an M-Kesho account?
No, opening an M-Kesho account is free. There are no ledger fees. So there's no fee on deposit into the M-Kesho account. So ideally the challenge is just the opening of the account because you have to walk either to Equity Bank or to a physical M-Pesa agent.